started out like fireworks in July. You held me close like I was all your sky. But silence started growing in your calls, and I stopped catching you every time you fall. I gave you pieces I can't take back. You gave just enough to leave a crack. You said forever if the timer on, and I believed you even when it felt wrong. You gave me half while I gave it all. Now I'm learning how to stand after the fall. This love was loud, then it turned to pain. Now it's just echoes, and nothing remains. Checked my phone hoping for your name, but sure I miss you started sounding the same. No fight, no fire, just cold replies, and I died a little in between the lines. I asked for time, you gave delay. I stayed for love, you walked away. I wanted depth, you skimmed the tide, and now the waves are all that's left inside. You kissed me like a promise, you lived like it was borrowed. I gave you all my tomorrows, and you gave me back sorrow. Gave me half while I gave it all. Now I'm learning how to breathe after the fall. This love was born, now it's turned to pain. Now it's just echoes, and nothing remains. I survived you, but I'm not the same. You gave me half while I gave it all. Now I'm learning how to breathe after the fall. This love was warm, now it's turned to pain. I don't feel much, but I feel the stain.